Today we learn about shapes. Ready? Enjoy. Let's start. Okay, next. Rule number 1, W. Close the W. Done, very good. Then go to the insert. Where's this insert? Right here? Very good. These are shapes of everywhere. Wow, Ganda, so many shapes. Mommy, what shape did do the about next? Let's try a circle. Circle, yay! Circle. Ito, circle is round like a shape of circle. What do the about next? How about purple? A purple circle. Very good. Insert shape. Ganda, what shape about next? Let's try a square. Square. Very good. Square. Square.
Oh, enough na yun. Huwag masyadong malaki.
What's the biggest orange square? Next. How about a triangle? Triangle. I'm a circle. I'm a square. I am triangle. Dark blue. Very good. The dark blue. Dark blue is triangle.
Okay.
What is next?
Dark blue better. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, the name. How to put the name?
What about oval? Oval, yes, that's right, it's an oval. Do you want angles? The angle is so. Like a circle, they not flat. Here. Dark red. Dark red, very good. The dark red. Oval. How about rectangle again? Rectangle. Mommy, what shape about next?
I don't know.
Yes, that's right. It's a rectangle. What about gray? Gray rectangle. What about a... Yes, that's right. This is a diamond. Diamond. Mommy, what is different? That's right. Blue. Blue. It's a circle. Well, Ganda. Mommy, look at this. Well, there are different shape.
Ano ba yan?
It's so far. Mommy, Ganda.
Huwag na yan.
Mommy, the circle is 3D shape.
Ah, okay.
3D shape is circle. About square. Well, Ganda. Ganda square. A triangle. There are 3D shape. Ganda. Triangle. What about oval? Wow, that's a 3D shape. A rectangle. Ganda, itu rectangle. A rhombus. Wakanda. Gandhi. A rabbit is 3D shape. I'm a star, very good. Right here. Up to the board. Then what shape? Where is it? Mommy, can you find the star? A hexagon? Yes, that's right. There's a hexagon. The hexagon has 6 sides.
Masyadong malaki. Ay,
The hexagon.
okay.
Hexagon. Orange hexagon. Then Ganda. Ganda hexagon. How about a cross? Cross, very good. To what?
Huwag mo na kasi iniikot-ikot mo pa eh.
Ito, cross. Ito, cross everywhere. Mommy, cross. What different shape? What about wood? Yes, that's a cross like wood. Well, Ganda cross. What about a trapezoid? Trapezoid, yeah. Yeah, very good. A triangle. Ganda. It's a purple triangle. Well, Ganda. Trapezoid. That's back. What?
What next?
A arrow, yes.
Huwag mo na itaas na ganyan.
Ito, arrow. Right
Ganyan lang oh.
here. Arrow. Ito, arrow.
Okay.
Okay, what next? Do you want blue? Yes. Well, got the blue. Next.
Heart, star, where is it?
Heart. Where is heart? Mommy, heart, seeing heart. Yes, that's right. It's a cube. Wow, a cube.
Cube, okay.
Cube is a 3D shape. Well, ganda.
Oh, ganda.
Oh.
No, na, that's 3D na kasi, di ba? Okay.
What about green? Shadow effects. Well, ganda.
Huwag mo lagyan ng shadow effects.
Well, ganda.
Huwag mo na sabi lagyan ng shadow effects eh.
And this
Okay
is
na yan.
called a cube. Sorry,
Last
Mommy.
one. Ano pa?
What should I do it about next? Ganon. Sige daw, heart.
Ano ba? Nag-drawing ka pa ng heart mo ah.
Ito, heart.
Huwag ka na mag-draw ng heart.
Heart.
Make a heart ka na lang dun.
Ito, here, right here.
Ay nako, Czeoush.
What shape? What shape about next? Mommy, what shape?
I don't know.
Mommy, let's go back to the question.
Oh, cut mo na yan.
Cut. Right. can't see anything. Mommy,
Sige na.
what's it? Mommy? Ito arrow and cube. What about cube? That's not there. Ito cut. Ganda. Oh, what happened? A triangle. Yes, that's right. There's a right triangle. Mommy, you don't like triangle?
Okay, bahala ka.
Sorry for mommy. Well, ganda. Look.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay. Isa-isahin mo daw yan. Ano yan? Ano? Okay.
Circle. Square. Triangle. Oval. Rectangle. Rhombus. Hexagon. Cross. Trapezoid. Arrow. Cube. And a right triangle. Now the older shapes. Ganda. Baby Tita.
Wow, ganda. Let me see here. Wow. Okay.
100%.
Okay. Okay.
Goodbye, see you.
No, here.
Goodbye, see you.
Sige daw. What shape?
Circle, square, triangle, oval, rectangle, rhombus, hexagon, cross, trapezoid, arrow, cube, and a right triangle. Goodbye, see you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye, see you.